But what I do know, I won't do this again. Fail, fail, fail. Fail! Hey, what up, family? So I'm back with another video. In this video, I wanted to try a natural skin lightening. So my face look pretty dry now because I'm starting on clean skin. I just washed my face, and I will be using a half of lemon. I just cut this. I got a spoon. I have a small little container. I had like a small little brush that I'll be using, and also baking soda. So let's get started. So I'll take a teaspoon, a teaspoon of baking soda, and I put that in my little container. Next, I'll use my half of lemon, and I'll just squeeze that inside the container. Squeezing as hard as I can. Once I do that, I'm going to just take this little brush that I have and kind of like mix that together. So I would say half a lemon and maybe 2.5 teaspoons. Yeah, I would say half of lemon and 2.5 teaspoons. So let me show you how it looks. So now that I have it all mixed up in my small container, I'm just going to use my brush and put it over top of my face. So the areas that I really want to target is right here on my cheek, around my mouth, behind my nose, and basically my other cheek. Maybe I'm gonna put on my lips as well to see how it goes. My acne has really came a long way. It might not look like a lot, but it used to be really bad. I used to have blemishes crazy, but now it's very controlled, and I'm just taking care of my dark marks now, which will be gone in no time. So let's go ahead. I am just taking it and putting it on my cheek. So here it is on my face, completely dry after 20 minutes. I'm just dusting off my shirt because I had some crumbs on it. So this is how it looks dry. And I'm gonna wash it off. Yay! Okay, y'all, so I just took it off, and I had pre-recorded something and I had watched it, and I saw like red marks on my face. No. Okay, I had it on for 20 minutes. Maybe that was too long. Yeah, in real life had my face red, like red patches on my face. Other than that, it burned a little bit. Like, I just wanted to like scratch my face. Like, it burned a little bit. But I do see where it got a little lighter. I think if you were to do it consecutively, like maybe 5 days in a row, it can give you the best result. But this will be my last time doing it because I don't like the redness or the burning. And yeah, so if you did it before and you had enough ingredients, or you had it on for a shorter amount of time, just comment below. Maybe I'll make some edits in case I wanted to do it again, or maybe try lemon and honey. I'm not sure, but what I do know, if I won't do this again. Fail. Yeah, so I'll be back with another video soon. So remember to have an awesome day. And my face is actually because it like dried out right now, so don't judge me, judge your mother. Peace.